Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to view WhatsApp chat history via WhatsApp recovery on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install the MobiKin recovery for WhatsApp software on your PC. From the left side panel, select Recovery from Android device. Step 2. Connect your Android device to the PC using a USB cable and enable USB debugging on your phone. Step 3. Turn off the end-to-end encryption for the backup. Step 4. The backup process will start automatically. Once it's complete, you can view the chat history or the attachments from your PC. Step 5. Finally, click Recover to Computer to export the selected WhatsApp files in HTML or CSV format for viewing on your PC. And there you have it. You've successfully viewed WhatsApp chat history via WhatsApp recovery on your PC. Now you can easily access and review your WhatsApp conversations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you next time.